There's really not words to describe how happy and thankful I am to be able to be a Savage X Fenty ambassador. Here's my package from Savage X Fenty for this month, and we're gonna open it together. I don't know what's in here. I only know the collection. I look forward to this package every single month. I'm also gonna share with you all 3 ways in which you can get brand partnerships and deals and get the attention of the brands that you want to work with. Are we ready? I'm ready. I'm excited. I'm excited to see what's in here. I'm excited to talk with y'all and to let y'all know some tea on how you can get the attention of these brands, okay? So let's open it. Ooh, this color is pretty, y'all. This is a pretty color. I've always been a lover of like pretty pastels. I always will tell people too, Savage X Fenty is more than just your intimates and your lingerie. They have bomb activewear. They have bomb loungewear. Don't sleep on it. I'm excited that this is loungewear because fall is coming, unfortunately. I'll start getting dark a little bit earlier. You know how that goes. Ooh, this is soft. Love a good crew neck. Look at this. Wish y'all could feel it. And they sent the matching bottoms. It's like, I'm really a Savage X Fenty ambassador. This is a dream come true. Thank you so much, Savage X Fenty. Oh. Y'all know, because I need y'all to understand, I've always wanted to work with one of Rihanna's brands, right? I became an ambassador for Savage X Fenty in summer of 2023. Summer of 2022, I made a whole, not pitch deck, but a pitch website for them. I didn't have a contact for the brand to send it to, so I was just kind of like, I don't know what to do. I was looking for people on LinkedIn, searching through social media, so kind of just sat there. The start of 2023 came around. I was like, I really want to be an ambassador for Savage X Fenty. I have to figure out how to do this. I have to figure it out. It kept digging deeper. It eventually happened. I'm forever thankful because, as I shared in one of the first posts that I made as being a Savage X Fenty ambassador, when I went through a really, really bad breakup and I was just more so rediscovering myself, and I would put on the cute stuff they would send as a way for me to feel good about myself. I think a woman and think about lingerie and it's like for somebody else, but wearing lingerie for yourself, wearing cute clothes at home for yourself is a good way for you to tap back into your own confidence, tap back into your own like body, and it helped me to look in the mirror and be like, I look amazing. And it was just for me. That really helped me in that time and in that space. And of course, as you all know, Rihanna is a big inspiration, and I just pray for like more opportunities to be able to work with Rihanna's brands, and also let you all know and put you all on to the best things for your body, the best things to help you feel great about yourself. I'm just forever thankful. But I do want to get into 3 ways to get attention of the brands that you want to work with. So I've had people ask me, how did you work with this brand? How do you get these brand deals? And there's a variety of answers that I can give. If you're looking to get them to come to you, so you want to get their attention. As you are already doing your day-by-day life, making your content, and you're using this brand, put that brand into your videos and tag them. Create content that already includes them. Okay, so you're uploading your content and you're tagging these brands that you want to work with, and your content just out of letting your community know this is what I use, this is what I rock with, and also it's popping up on their radar. And include them organically, okay? If you do have something from that business, it does not hurt at all for you to literally take that product, act as if it is a collaboration. Show them what you can do. All the times when you do tag these brands, they may comment, they may like your stuff, but also connecting with them on social. So make sure you're following the brands that you want to work with. Make sure that you're engaging with them on socials. Like I have a folder in my iPhone photos of screenshots of any interaction that I had with the Savage X Fenty brand, Fenty Beauty brand, anything. Like if I would comment on their stuff and they would comment back, I would take a screenshot of that and put it in that folder. If I posted something and it had one of their items in it and somebody said, oh, I love this, I want to try this, I would screenshot that and put it in there. It's like evidence of bringing that collaboration to life. First of all, get their attention. 2 is look at the different hashtags that they're following. Usually you can go on a profile, and then when you go to the following list, it'll let you know which hashtags that brand or person or company is following. Make sure that you're putting those hashtags in the content that includes that business. So you can just make sure that you're getting on their radar. You can make sure that you're heightening the chance of them seeing your content. Partnerships do happen to where you can reach out, but also there's people online and they're looking for people. They're looking at you. And just one example, when I got my first partnership, and it was with Sony, she said she saw my content, I think it was like 9 months before, and she was like, I gotta work with her one day. So you just really never know who's seeing your stuff, and you never know who is literally keeping you in their mind for a certain opportunity. So just because it doesn't happen in a day, in a month, in a week, just keep posting your stuff and making sure that you're tagging those brands that you do want to work with. If that's what you want, if that's what's meant to happen, it's going to work out. Like I said, with that Sony collaboration, she didn't see my content and then the week of reached out and said, oh, let's do this collaboration. No, it was literally months later to where the perfect opportunity came up, and she included me and she had me in mind for that, and I'm so thankful for that. And I would try to keep that in my head when I feel like things aren't moving as fast as I want them to, or I just feel like, what am I doing this for? Or I just feel like, what's the point in posting? You gotta post your stuff, put an intention or pray over it, and like who's meant to see it will be able to see it. But sometimes that opportunity is going to be in the works, and you gotta give it time to bake and to be made and be put in the oven and to come out and cool off. You know, it's not gonna be like an overnight thing sometimes. It may seem overnight because somebody done reached out to you and you woke up in the morning with an email and it's like, hey, we wanna work with you. But like literally you never know when they first saw your content. You just never know who's watching. You never know when that time is gonna come out to where someone reaches out for a great opportunity. Trust me, that can be hard, but just making sure that you're putting out the content that you wanna put out and that is fulfilling to you, and it's aligning with the purpose of what you want to do with content creation and influencing. I will say that, but with Savage Fenty, literally dropped down to my knees and cried, like, thank you God, like hello, because a dream come true. Literally made a video. I think the video I made was like in 2020, saying like one day I want to work with one of Rihanna's brands, and then 2023 it happened. There is work that was put in behind getting on their radar, okay? And so I'm so thankful, ever thankful for me, my past self, for y'all. If you're watching this and you feel discouraged, figure out the brands that you do want to work with, create that organic content and tag these companies. Let them see you no matter what, and don't feel discouraged just because it's not something that doesn't feel like it's going to happen overnight. Don't count yourself out, because you never know what blessings are literally just brewing in the background for you, okay? Like you just never know. That's tip number 3. Think to yourself, what's the type of content that I am happy with creating, editing, and posting? How does that align with the purpose that I have in creating content and sharing what I create with the world? I think it's really important looking out for brands that work with similar creators. Align with brands who have similar values. Pay attention to the brands. Make a list of, okay, I see that they're doing partnerships. I see that they're doing collaborations. I know that they have an area or some type of budget for this space. If it aligns, then put them down as somebody like, I want to work with this person. So those are the 3 tips. Sometimes these blessings are literally like brewing for months, or literally around the table having your social media profiles and your content pulled up in a meeting. But on the flip side, you're over here stressed out, like, should I keep creating content? Should I keep doing this? Like, what am I doing wrong? Meanwhile, they're over here trying to figure out how to pitch to you and trying to make sure that the campaign that they're about to run can be sent over to you. So you just never know how it's gonna work out. Just keep going. There's also some platforms, I'll list them in the caption, that you can like apply for different campaigns. And these are paid and these are gifted, but it's a process, and I know it can get frustrating. So I understand. I'm not here to just be like, oh, everything's just a-okay and easy. Like, no, it's not. It takes a lot of work, and just don't count yourself out. If it's something you really want to do, just please keep going. And I'm talking to myself too, but you just never know what blessings are literally being cooked up in the background for you, and when they just gonna pop out and surprise you, you're gonna be so glad that you didn't stop. So yeah, thank you for watching. If you aren't subscribed, subscribe. Again, thank you Savage X Fenty for this beautiful loungewear. Let me know if you have any other questions, and I wish you all the best of luck. Bye.